Have you ever wondered why your tomatoes grow slower than you'd like, while someone else's plants look like they're ready for a magazine cover? Today, I'm sharing one simple ingredient that can quietly transform your tomato plants, almost overnight. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll show you exactly how to use it the right way. Even with good soil, sunlight, and watering, sometimes your tomatoes need a little something extra. Kind of like how your morning coffee just completes you. It's not expensive, it's not complicated, and chances are, it's already somewhere in your home. Before I reveal it, let's talk about the real issue: nutrient uptake and energy production. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. They need a lot of magnesium to properly carry out photosynthesis, transport nutrients, and grow strong stems and fruit. Magnesium sits at the heart of every chlorophyll molecule. Without enough magnesium, plants struggle to convert sunlight into usable energy. And when magnesium levels drop, you'll often see yellow leaves, weak stems, and poor fruit development. In short, no magnesium, no energy. And no energy, no tomatoes. It's like trying to run a marathon after skipping breakfast. The secret? Good old Epsom salt, or scientifically, magnesium sulfate. Epsom salt works because it delivers magnesium for stronger chlorophyll production. It improves nutrient absorption, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. It encourages more flowering and fruit set. It can quickly correct magnesium deficiencies, often within days. Here's how to apply it correctly. Mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into 1 gallon of water. Stir until fully dissolved. Water the solution at the base of your tomato plants, not on the leaves, so the roots can absorb it directly. Repeat every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Now, a quick word of caution. More is not better. Overdoing it can actually throw off the soil's nutrient balance. Always stick to the recommended amount. Think of it like seasoning your favorite dish, not dumping the whole spice rack. So if you want greener plants, faster growth, and bigger, better tomatoes, try this simple Epsom salt trick in your garden. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed garden tips, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you decide to try it, come back and tell me how your garden exploded with growth. I'd love to hear your success stories.